Pitman shorthand new course and key exercise number 46. Get ready. Start. We are having a benefit show next Wednesday night, and I am writing to invite you to come, full stop. Aid is badly needed for some special cases we have on our list, and all the money is to be used for that purpose, full stop. Next para. The cost of the tickets is 3s6d, full stop. Each I know that you will wish to assist the cause as much as possible, and that you will let me have your check for several tickets, full stop. Exercise number 47. Get ready. Start. The attached sheet shows the result of the year's business, full stop. You will note that, except for the first 2 months, business for the year was good, full stop. We adopted a new sales policy in March, and since that time we have enjoyed the benefit of our new methods, full stop. We have had about twice as many sales as in the same methods last year, full stop. We think that this is the best evidence we could have of the value of our new policy, full stop. Exercise number 48. Get ready. Start. We have sent several notes to you asking you to pay the bill for the goods you bought 6 months ago, but you have not answered any of them, full stop. We are sorry to say that now we shall have to take the usual steps to avoid the loss of our money, for your check is not received by the first of next month, full stop. We urge you to mail your check to us without delay, full stop. Exercise number 49. Get ready. Start. We are sorry that you received in error a check intended for Reed and Sons of Edinburgh, full stop. Thank you for passing it to us, full stop. We are writing today to Reed and Sons asking them to let you have the check which we should have sent to you, full stop. No doubt you will receive it without delay, full stop. Exercise number 50. Get ready. Start. I am happy to say that the cut in rates about which I wrote to you in March is now to be put into effect, full stop. I think that the rate on your house is subject to change on the new basis, full stop. Your policy should be sent to this office as soon as possible, so that you may have the benefit of the reduced rate, full stop.